Gakuna from Gakuna Trading. Happy Boxing Day and a very Merry Christmas once again. Happy holidays. Now, this week before the Christmas, I gave a swing opportunity on the NZDCAD and NZDUSD to swing for everybody. It's a Merry Christmas signal for everyone to benefit from this wonderful move. And this morning we also bought the USD JPY. Now, when we take a look at charts, you see everyone is looking for A+, A++ opportunities. For the newbies, these opportunities are very simple, but you need to learn how to count. In my playbook, I emphasized on types of 3-day setups. We have the direct, we have the inside, and we have the day zero. But without counting, we can't actually track the reversal opportunities. Stacy is a reversal trader. So while waiting for a reversal to happen, we can take the build up and take the reversal itself. This is what my micro balance concept is trying to tell people. Rather than wait for a 1 2 3 to reverse, why don't you be the 1 2 3 that reverses itself? So we can have our day 1. Remember, low of week, low of month is our day 1. 1 2 3. Another breakout of Tuesday's high makes it 3 days of breakout. So we have our 3rd day of breakout. Everybody's waiting for the 3rd day. Everybody's waiting for a 3rd day of breakout. No, before the 3rd day of breakout, Gakuna is right here, Gakuna is here, and Gakuna is here. Before the reversal, now Gakuna is also here for this reversal, and Gakuna is here again, because a 3-day setup will evolve to a signal day. So we have our FRD. So the indicator, if you look at the screener, for those of you who have the screener is there to help you count. But meanwhile, before the screener gives you a signal day, we want to make sure that we are able to take the build up to that opportunity. You can see the screener is crowded with a lot of 3-day moves. This screener was created to track 3-day moves. Okay, for signal days, it's very easy. Even a newbie can identify an FGD and FRD. Now, if you look at the screener, look at the NZDCAD. Where is the NZDCAD? NZDCAD right here. You see, it's showing 3-day longs and showing what a 3-day setup. Why? Let us refresh these charts. It's showing us the build up from last week, so let us refresh it so the screener can give us today's information, which should be an FRD. So NZDCAD, you can see showing an FRD. Okay, because if I replay, okay, let's take a replay. Let's go back to this spot here. Okay, and watch the screener, what it says about the, look at USD NZDCAD. Watch NZDCAD. Look at it right here. Watch NZDCAD. So we replay this and then gives us, hold on, boom, take out that high, and then we have NZDCAD 3-day longs and 3-day setup. When the high of Tuesday was taken out, day 1, day 2, day 3, took out that high, day 1, day 2, day 3, 3 days of breakout. The screener is now signaling you that there's a reversal about to happen on the NZDCAD. So for those of you who don't know how to count manually, there's a very huge need for you to have this screener to help you count, so you can get the reversal. But before that reversal, the micro balance course is what helps us understand the direction of the build up. Okay, now when we replay this, we see how the market moved, and before you know it, boom, we have our FRD. Okay, so in the playbook, I stated there clearly, I repeat myself again, 3 levels of rise. This is 3 levels of rise. 3 levels of rise is the same thing levels of rise is the same thing as a 3-day setup. It's the same thing as the A++ setup. A++, A+, and A+++. Okay, it's the same thing as 3 days of breakouts. Okay, and they may close in breakouts. Okay, they may close in breakout for the reversal the next day. So these are the same things. A lot of you are confusing yourselves, looking for what is not there. The only difference are the terms. When we started out with Stacy, he was using 3 levels of rise. We're wondering what is 3 levels of rise, but then I discovered, I cracked that code. It is the same thing. The market does the same thing with different languages. Other traders will say leg 1, leg 2. So yes, we have a leg 1, leg 2. We can have a leg 3. That leg 3 is 3 days of breakout. That is the 3rd day of the market breaking out. Okay, so when we replay, we can see that swing opportunity I gave before Christmas to hold it through Christmas for a sell. We sold in the US session, added positions in Asia, and boom, we're currently here. Okay, now this will now be the beginning of a new leg 1, leg 2. Okay, before the market may continue to the opposite direction. So the market moves in 3s: 1, 2, 3, A+, A++. So these 3 levels of rise, if you notice, you want to count your higher closes. The market can give you 2 higher closes and reverse. The market can give you 3 higher closes and reverse. So what are you looking for? What are we looking for? Let's look at NZDUSD, the same setup given to traders in the community. NZDUSD, you can see that same sell setup. Like I said, to hit our H4, we've gotten to the H4 already. For those of you in the Discord who took that opportunity, we are already at the H4. Now, with the playbook, there are set of rules, and a lot of you trade without rules. You look for 3 higher closes, A+, and this and that, but you do not have defined set of rules that helps you execute these opportunities. Now, when the market is at the level 3 stage, like level 3 days of longs, they seek to reverse to the H4, the 4-hour moving average. The H4, when you hear me talking about H4, I'm talking about the 4-hour moving average. Serves as a magnet. Now we have price magnet. These magnets can be closing price. Okay, price magnets are closing price, EMA, trend line, okay, monthly highs, monthly lows, weekly highs, weekly lows, daily highs and lows. These are all price magnets. Price seeks to go back to these levels, okay, these areas, to give us a reversal or continuation. Okay, so we are just breaking out of the H4 now, which I will inform traders in the community right now. Okay, okay, NZDUSD hits the H4. Okay, good. So swing sell NZDUSD targeting the H4. So we hit the H4 on Christmas Day. Swing it till after Christmas. Now that's what we have there. We've hit the H4. Congratulations to everybody who participated in this. The micro balance course is out. It's in the link in this description in this video. Remember, I am offering a 1-month lecture in January for how to use the screener, how to use the micro balance course, the playbook and the rule book for executing these opportunities. This will guide you for continuations and reversals that will build up to that 3 levels of rise and fall that you want to take for a reversal. Stacy is just waiting for the reversal. What I want you guys to do is to take the continuation that leads to the reversal and take the reversal and the other reversal again. Okay, so we can follow the market, but by doing the right things and following the rules. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thank you for sharing, and with the market go with you. Remember, the link is in description. Do well to join my Discord and stay up to date with updates from opportunities like this. May the markets go with you. Thank you.